Good morning, Ma'am Kiza. I am Jesse James Nocom, and I'll be sharing my learnings and experience in NSTP1 at Ateneo de Davao University. NSTP1 taught me the importance of being a responsible citizen through lectures and hands-on activities like community cleanups and tree planting. I learned that everyone has a role to play in improving society. Small actions such as picking up litter or planting trees can make a big difference in our communities. NSTP1 provided many opportunities to work in teams and develop leadership skills. I learned how to lead a group, delegate tasks, and collaborate with others to achieve our goals. Engaging with different communities exposed me to the struggles people face daily. Learning underprivileged areas and interacting with residents helped me understand issues like poverty and lack of education. These experiences taught me to be more empathetic and aware of the challenges others face. NSTP1 often presented unique challenges that required solutions. This experience helped me develop problem solving and critical thinking skills, which are valuable in many areas of life. One of the most memorable activities in NSTP1 was the tree planting event at Coastal Road. And this activity not only taught me about environmental stewardship, but also about the long-term impact of our actions. Planting trees combat climate change, provides habitat for wildlife, and improves air quality. Working together with my classmates to plant trees made me realize the importance of collective effort in achieving environmental sustainability. It also instilled a sense of accomplishment and pride, knowing that we were contributing to a greener future. NSTP 1 also instilled a sense of patriotism and pride in being a Filipino. I learned about our history and culture and the importance of contributing to our country's development. This deepened my love for the Philippines and motivated me to participate in nation-building efforts. My experience in NSTP1 at Ateneo de Davao University has been both educational and transformative. I learned about civic responsibility, leadership, empathy, problem solving, and patriotism. The tree planting activity in particular highlighted the importance of environmental conservation and the power of collective action. This lesson have not only broadened my perspective but also inspired me to contribute meaningfully to my community and country. NSTP1 has laid a strong foundation for my personal and civic growth, and I am committed to applying these lessons in my daily life. And I am deeply thankful to my NSTP1 Professor Crazy Keyboard for guiding us through this journey. Your dedication and support have made this experience truly impactful, and I am grateful for the valuable lessons you have imparted. That's all. Thank you.